Welcome to Wild Taste Infusion Elite. Today we're diving into one of the most refreshing dishes in Mediterranean cuisine, gazpacho. A chilled, vibrant soup served across Spain and Portugal, especially loved during the hot summer months. Light, cool, and bursting with fresh flavor. Gazpacho is more than just a cold soup. It's a cultural staple. Traditionally enjoyed in warm climates, it's built on fresh vegetables, bread, and bright acidity. This dish is all about simplicity, hydration, and natural flavor. Perfect for summer, perfect for entertaining, and perfect for anyone who loves clean, refreshing food. Gazpacho has a long and fascinating history. In ancient Rome, soldiers ate cold, bread-based porridges, the earliest ancestors of gazpacho. By the 8th century, the Moors introduced almonds and lighter mixtures, influencing both the flavor and the name, which likely evolved from an Arabic term meaning soaked bread. In the 16th century, tomatoes and peppers arrived from the Americas and transformed the dish into the version we recognize today. And in 1824, one of the earliest written tomato-based recipes appeared in Mary Randolph's cookbook, The Virginia Housewife. Gazpacho has been evolving ever since. Here's what you'll need for classic gazpacho: cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, bell pepper, garlic, stale French bread, cold water, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, olive oil, and a touch of tomato paste. These ingredients work together to create a chilled soup that's fresh, tangy, and deeply satisfying. Before we begin, make sure everything is prepped. Peel and chop your cucumbers and tomatoes, dice the onion and bell pepper, mince the garlic, and crumble the stale bread. Having everything ready makes the blending process smooth and efficient. Step 1. In a large bowl, combine the cucumbers, tomatoes, onion, bell pepper, garlic, and crumbled bread. Step 2. Add the cold water, red wine vinegar, and lemon juice. Give a good stir. Step 3. Blend the mixture in small batches, about 2 cups at a time, until everything is fully pureed. The texture should be silky and smooth. Step 4. Return the puree to the bowl and whisk in the olive oil and tomato paste. This adds richness and depth. Step 5. Cover tightly and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is essential. It allows the flavors to meld. Step 6. Whisk again before serving. Step 7. Add your favorite garnish: herbs, diced vegetables, croutons, or a drizzle of olive oil. Gazpacho is incredibly versatile. Serve it alongside lime chicken, elevate it into a gourmet presentation, pair it with creamy burrata, or even turn it into a refreshing cocktail. This dish adapts beautifully to any style or occasion. Thank you for watching Wild Taste Infusion Elite. Don't forget to subscribe and like. There's something new every week. Now, go cook. Bring this chilled Mediterranean classic to life in your own kitchen. We appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe and come back next week. New dishes, new techniques, and always something delicious.